Nowadays, Samsung Z Fold 4 phone has become a popular mobile device with the futuristic and elegant design. The device is able to transform into a 360-degree foldable smartphone that fits in your pocket. But if you love design colorful case, this video for you. So today's video I will show you 5 best design colorful case for your Samsung Z Fold 4 you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Steen Sparkle. The Steen Sparkle phone case is the latest trend in phone cases that is compatible with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This case is made from highly durable TPU material and provides 360-degree protection and lightweight. Protect your phone with a 2-piece case that includes an inner protective shell and a stylish outer sturdy ABS plastic cover. The case features a 3D glitter, rhinestone, and sequin design that shimmers and shines on your phone. This is the perfect case to protect your device while giving a splash of sparkle to your phone case at the same time. The case is made of high-quality hard plastic, which is impact-resistant and durable, while giving the back and sides of your device full coverage. This case is compatible with Galaxy Z Fold 4 5G cases. Number 4. VDEG. Introducing the perfect case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 clear hard PC phone cover. Your unique custom photo case showcases your favorite memories with a clear hard case. Plus, it's available in 4 different colors and is uniquely personalized. Pleasant design and fresh look for a stylish protection. Give your phone a new personal touch with this cool case made of hard PC and featuring a slim profile with transparent back. Just pick your favorite photos to make your personalized case. Want to make your special someone feel extra special? Make them feel as if they are the only person in the world with this personalized case. After you send a photo of your loved one, VDEG will produce a personalized case for your loved one's phone in 1 to 2 business days. Number 3. Steens Crystal. This is a case with a cover designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 case. It's sure to make your Galaxy Z Fold 4 case stand out. This case is made of polycarbonate plastic. Steens Crystal case compatible with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 case. Stylish 3D handmade bling flowers tassel rhinestone crystal diamond design cover case is an exquisite design which will bring a unique personality to your valuable phone case. It also has a card slot and can be charged with a magnetic cable. It is made with high-quality PC material and its 3D design makes it look more stylish. TPU material with a flexible and slim design that offers protection as well as style. The floral pattern integrated with rhinestones and diamonds makes the case stand out in any crowd with its exclusive design. Show your style and personality. Number 2. Steens Diamond. Steens Diamond is a brilliant case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with a classy, luxurious design that is unmatched by any other phone case on the market. This case is made with a crystal-like hard shell exterior in clear and red colors that are easy to maintain and clean. The design of this diamond phone case will give your phone an elegant look while it protects your precious device. This unique case is handmade with a unique design and comes in various colors. It is made of high-quality TPU silicone with rhinestone crystals. A lot of people want luxury and elegance, but they don't want to pay a lot. So here is the perfect solution. A case that's beautiful, unique, and affordable. Number 1. Luxury. This is a phone case that is perfect for those who are looking to stand out and get noticed. This glittery, light slim, shockproof case will give your phone the protection it needs while keeping it always in style. Now you can go out with confidence knowing your phone is protected. Are you looking for a beautiful case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4? Your search is over. Luxury case has everything you need. We offer sleek, light, and slim case. Our glitter sparkly luxury light slim shockproof protective bling diamond girls case is made of polycarbonate material with TPU for maximum flexibility and durability. High quality material can protect your phone against scratches, damage and abrasions. With this luxury case, you can change the look of your phone easily.